The bank doesn't care who you are. It cares what your account looks like. And the matrix they use to judge you is simpler than you think. Right now, there are two completely different realities happening inside the exact same building. Reality 1. Your balance is negative $4. A coffee you forgot was auto-renewed. The bank doesn't look at that and see a minor mistake. They see a target. Within seconds, a $35 overdraft fee hits your account. The penalty for being broke is that they take more of the money you don't have. You try to call. You get stuck in a 40-minute automated hold loop, only for a robotic voice to read from a script and tell you the fee is permanent. At this level, you aren't a customer. You're just a risk score with shoes. Reality 2. Your balance is $5 million. You don't have an app anymore. You have a private banker named Marcus. Marcus knows your kids' names, your favorite coffee, and your sister's birthday. Yesterday, a stray $32 processing fee accidentally hit your statement. You didn't call a phone tree. You sent a 2-word text. 10 minutes later, the fee was reversed. At this level, the rules are negotiated. They compete with other banks to give you free perks just so you won't leave. Here is the part that should stop you cold. You are the exact same human being in both scenarios. Your character didn't change. Your worth didn't change. But to the financial machine, a low balance justifies total indifference. And indifference at scale looks exactly like cruelty. When you are broke, the system drains you. When you are wealthy, the price of money becomes free. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly the way it was built. The same institution that will one day fly out to ask your opinion on emerging markets is currently tracking your account to punish you for a $4 coffee. Next time you tap your card, look closely at the screen. You're not just buying a drink. You're buying your place on their ledger.